Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're comparing two fantastic options for your ice making needs: the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker and the standard Countertop Ice Maker. Both machines are designed to produce ice quickly and efficiently, making them perfect for home, kitchen, or party use. We'll explore their features, including price, ice production capabilities, and noise levels, to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker stands out as the more budget-friendly option at just $59.99, while the standard Countertop Ice Maker is priced at $99.99. This significant price difference makes the Sweetcrispy a compelling choice for those looking to save money without sacrificing quality. Another key difference is in the ice size options. The Sweetcrispy model offers the flexibility of producing two sizes of bullet ice, allowing users to choose between small and large cubes, which is great for different beverage types. In contrast, the standard Countertop Ice Maker only produces one size, limiting its versatility. Noise levels are also an important consideration. The Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker operates at a quieter level of under 40 decibels, making it suitable for use in quiet environments. On the other hand, the standard Countertop Ice Maker can reach up to 45 decibels, which might be noticeable in quieter settings. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy and standard Countertop Ice Makers offer great features for quick ice production. However, the Sweetcrispy model provides better value with its lower price, dual ice size options, and quieter operation. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient ice maker for your home or parties, the Sweetcrispy is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.